Hello and welcome to Suxxesso in a Nutshell, our series of short videos highlighting the extensive functionalities and outstanding usability of our SAP test automation product, Suxxesso Tool Suite. Our topic today is list view or terminal tables. General ledger accounts are usually such tables, and you can see that we have opened such a table in SAP. This format looks like a table, but these are actually blocks of text which have nothing to do with tables. Because of that, they are very difficult for automation tools to search and verify. However, our product, Suxxesso Tool Suite, is a highly specialized SAP test automation solution and works with terminal tables very easily and efficiently, and this is what I want to demonstrate today. You can see that we have already started Suxxesso Test Pilot, the main component of our product for the setting up of test cases, their editing and modification. To start the test case, we click on Insert New Step and choose Terminal Table for this step. Now we have to edit this step in order to provide all the necessary parameters. And the first thing that I want to highlight is that even if you have multiple such tables open in SAP, it is easy to define which is the table with which you want to work by providing its index number. In our case, I will be working with table 2, so we provide here 2. And we will not be working with row numbers, but we will be working with key columns. In one of our other Suxxesso in a Nutshell videos, there is a demonstration of all the functionalities of key columns, and for this case we will be working with key column first match. Now of course we have to define the key column, and what is specific to terminal tables is that the columns are defined by their index number. In this case we will be looking for the document number, which is column number 3, and let's say the document number which we will use for our situation is this one. We enter it here as a value 157, and I will add an additional key column to show that we can work also with combination of key columns. And in this case I will use this column, the document date, because you see there are different dates in this column. This is column number 6, and the date of this document is 15/10/2010. Now, in this particular case, we want to verify the amount of this document, so we will add another column for the verification. In this case, this is column 8, and the value is 462,582 US dollars. And as it is a negative value, we add the minus sign. These are all fixed values, but Tool Suite can easily work with data provided by our data manager component, or with values from other steps, or with variables. But for our demonstration today, fixed values are a good way to highlight the functionalities of our product. With this, our editing of the step is finished. We click on the apply button to accept all the changes, and now if we want to check if everything has been provided correctly, we click on the replay test button. If everything is correct, if Tool Suite correctly identifies and verifies all the parameters, we should receive a message at the end saying replay successful. Let's see what happens. Tool Suite is verifying the format of this table, and we received the message that replay has been successful. However, if we want to carry out a counter check, let's change the amount in this particular test case, let's say to 500,000, and replay the test case. And test pilot gave us the message that the amount that we provided there does not match with the actual amount in this table. We stop the test case and we change the value back to the correct one, because I would like to demonstrate how we can add another step in this test case. And this step again will be a terminal table, and this time we will want to verify the final amount of this table. For this we must define first of all the table which we will be working, then the key column which we need. We define this column. In this case we can use only column 1 actually, and the value in this column is the symbol of the star. So add it here, and we want to verify the amount which is in column 8, so we add it here also, and the value is 12,782,221 US dollars. Again negative, so the minus sign. With this step is finished. We click on the apply button, and now we replay the whole test case with both the steps in it. And we received the message that replay has been successful and that every parameter has been found and verified. With this, our demonstration is concluded. This demonstration, I think, showed how easy it is to work with our tool with regard to terminal tables in SAP. I hope our video was useful and interesting for you, and I thank you for your time and attention, and invite you to check regularly for other videos in our Suxxesso in a Nutshell series.